Hey guys, this is a complete Miyoko's Creamery Artisan Cheese Copycat board here. I just wanted to show you the fresh Loire Valley that I molded for you yesterday. How nice it came out. I'm not going to cut into this because I already have plenty to cut into. She used to call this Vesuvius Black Ash. Now I think she just calls it Black Ash. And this is her French style winter truffle. So I am going to sample the truffle first. Okay, so I spread a little bit of the winter truffle on a piece of Bosc pear, and I plopped a little black grape on top. Oh wow, this combination is so good. It goes so well with the pear and the grape. This is the one with the truffles in it, and they're a little bit pricey. You can leave them out, but you will need some truffle oil and maybe a little truffle salt. Truffle oil is probably good enough. It also gets flavored with mushroom powder, and it is so worth it. It is so good. It's probably my second favorite of hers behind this. That is really, really good. I haven't made it in a long time. And this is the Black Ash on a cracker. It's very, very mildly flavored with oregano, and then you dust the activated charcoal all over the outside. It's very dramatic looking cheese. Wow, that's good too. I don't know if you actually taste much of the charcoal because the cheese is so well aged, and it's got that oregano in it. Now you do need she flavors hers with oregano extract and a few other extracts, I think plum and flaxseed that I have no idea how to make. But if you don't want to get the essential oil of oregano, you could probably infuse the how would you do that? Because you have to make a paste out of the cashews. You could maybe just add a little bit of oregano and grind it up into the paste when you're processing the nuts. But if you do get the extract, make sure that you just put 1 drop in your cheese, 1 drop per 8 ounces. Drop it into a spoon. Don't drop it right over the cheese, because if you get 2 drops, it's going to be too strong. I have one more. This is one of her seasonal flavored cream cheeses. She used to mix strawberry preserves into her cream cheese, and here I have spread some on a bagel and put some fresh strawberries on top. And my strawberries are organic. If your strawberries are organic, you can leave the greens on. The greens they're nice and they're good for you. Oh. Of course, this would make a nice breakfast, but it's almost like dessert. It's really good. So that's it for the Miyoko Copycats. And I'll have all the recipes on my blog. linked in the description, along with links to yesterday's video and the playlist. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.